So I'm here with Nick. What's up?
Yo.
And we're doing a rip. Take it easy around the cars. I didn't really want to be like,
yeah, and it's a night too. So
it's the nighttime.
It's hard to see.
Oh, now I can see.
Lovely pitted windshield, you know. Yeah, just car things. This car fucking rips.
Yeah, man. It is. It's just pure fun. Look at that. I missed.
Gotta let everybody know you're here.
Yep, I'm home, guys.
It's so bright.
Dude, it's ridiculous. Alright guys, see ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.